Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change clothes in Madden 26 Superstar mode. It's pretty easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just select the character tab at the top by using the RB key or R1 key. Once you do that, at the bottom we need to select change gear. Now here in the apparel you need to choose the one where you wanna change clothes. That could be dark, light, or any of this here in the league. Let's say what if I go with the light team uniform and select that. I'll able to see a couple of options here, and since we want to change the clothes, we'll select torso, and once you select that, we'll able to see several jerseys, and you can just choose the one which you like, and that's how you'll able to change the clothes for Superstar mode in Madden 26. Now if you get back and select any of this here, like light gear or dark gear, this one, you'll able to see the torso option again, and here you'll able to change the jersey style, something like this. And also you have a couple of more options like backplate. If you select this one here, you'll able to change the shoulder pads. If you go to the next one here, you'll able to see the neck pads, and just next to that we have the option for undershirt. You'll able to see something like this, and you can just equip that under the jersey. Now just like that, you'll able to see some options for arm, like some arm sleeves. If you go to lower body, you'll able to see something like this. And yeah, that's exactly how you can change clothes in Madden 26 Superstar mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.